Morning students, welcome back to SR tutorial. So today we are going to discuss regarding purchase return book, okay, or the other name for purchase return book is return outward book. So this is a book which records the portion of goods purchased being found damaged or defective in quality or not in proper kind are returned to the suppliers. So when a business purchases goods and any portion of goods found defective, okay, or not in proper kind are returned to the suppliers again. So those portion of goods are recorded in the purchase return book or return outward book. Okay, and the journal entries are, you see, for the purchase of goods it is purchase account debited to suppliers account. Purchase expense account, it increases, so it should be debited. Suppliers liability account, it increases, so it should be credited. And when goods purchased are returned, you see, suppliers liability goes down, so it should be debited to return outward purchase return account, because at that time it becomes a revenue for the business. The business will earn revenue, okay, against the goods returned from the business. So when revenue increases, it should be credited. So to return outward or purchase return account, being goods purchased returned. Okay, hope you have understood what is purchase return book. Okay, it is a book which records all the defective or damaged goods which are being returned to the suppliers, okay, after being purchased. Okay, so hope you have understood. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.